Hi friends, what a year. This time you'll have graduation also online, so I hope this video will be helpful. You need some black wool and roll it around your 4 fingers. Then you can take it out and tie a knot at its end like this. Then you can cut it at the other end and it will be like this. You can give it a trim. And now you'll need a black chart paper. You can apply glue at the middle and fold it into half to make it thicker. Now you need to prick a hole at the center and pass the wool through it. You can tie a knot at the end. And it will be like this. Now you'll need a long chart paper and you need to fold a bit at the end and cut it like this. Then you'll need a red chart paper or a ribbon. You can apply glue on it and stick it at the black chart paper. Then you can apply glue and stick it at the size of your child's head. And in the part you have cut, you can apply glue over there and stick it on the black chart paper. And your graduation hat is ready. Friends, like the video and share it to your other friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get early notification